Hello kids, very good morning you all. Welcome to Shivaji Group of Institution online classes, Linsbagia Preschool. Today's date is 24th July 2020 and day is Friday. Kids, as you all know that we start our class with English recitation. So kids, stand up on your place, put your hands on your waist. I am going to recite a poem. You all have to repeat after me with actions. So kids, let's start. Today we are going to revise hot cross buns. Hot cross buns. Hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you have no daughter, give them to your sons. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Let's revise it again. Hot cross buns. Hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you have no daughter, give them to your sons. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Kids, learn it and revise it well. Thank you. Hey kids, this is your English oral class. As you all know, in oral you don't have to write anything in your notebook. You just have to repeat after me with the given exercise. So kids, today in English oral we are going to learn after exercise. So kids, what is meant by after? After means होता है बच्चों बाद का. So today in English oral we are going to learn about after exercise. Kids, I have given you some numbers, some alphabets. You have to write their after alphabets. Look here, I have written B. What comes after B? C. What comes after D? E. What comes after F? G. What comes after K? L. What comes after M? N. What comes after O? P. What comes after Q? R. Like this, you have to do after exercise. Kids, if anytime you have after exercise, then what you have to do? You have to write the after given alphabet. Okay? Means अगर आपको एक तरफ अल्फाबेट दिए गए हैं तो दूसरे साइड आपको क्या करना होगा? आपको उनके बाद वाले अल्फाबेट्स राइट करने होंगे अपनी नोटबुक में. So kids, learn it well. Thank you. Hey kids, as you all know that this is your English written class. So kids, take out your English notebook, open a page where I have done the setting of 24th July 2020 and day is Friday. Kids, today in English we are going to do after exercise in classwork. Kids, what is mean by after? After का मतलब होता है बाद का. ठीक है? After means बाद. So today in English we are going to do after exercise. I have given you some alphabets. You have to write their after alphabet. Means I have given you B. What comes after B? What comes after? After means बाद में. B के बाद में क्या आता है? What comes after B? C. So here you have to write C. Like this we are going to do this exercise. So kids, let's start. First of all, I have given you first number alphabet B. Mama B and baby B. What comes after B? C. So here you have to write Mama C and baby C. Like this, we are going to do this exercise. Number 2, I have given you D. Mama D and baby D. What comes after D? E. So here you have to write Mama E and baby E. After that, Mama F, baby F. So what comes after F? Mama G and baby G. After Mama F, what comes after Mama F? Mama G, baby G. After that, what comes after K? Mama K and baby K. What comes after K? L, Mama L and baby L. So right here, Mama L, baby L. So like this, you have to complete this exercise. Kids, after doing this exercise, turn your page and see. I have given you one homework, that is this and that exercise. What is meant by this and that? Kids, in previous class we have learned about this and that exercise. In this exercise, what you have to do, if something is near to you, then you have to write THI as this, and something is far away from you, then you have to write THAT, that. Like this, you have to complete your homework. So kids, complete your classwork and complete your homework. Thank you. Hey kids, this is your Hindi recitation class. So today in Hindi recitation, we are going to recite Hathi Raja. So kids, for that you all have to stand up on your place wherever you are and put your hands on your waist. I am going to recite a poem. You all have to repeat after me with actions. So kids, let's start. हाथी राजा बहुत बड़े, हाथी राजा बहुत बड़े, सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले, हाथी राजा बहुत बड़े, सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले, मेरे घर भी आओ ना, हलवा पूरी खाओ ना, मेरे घर भी आओ ना, हलवा पूरी खाओ ना, आओ बैठो कुर्सी पर, आओ बैठो कुर्सी पर, कुर्सी बोली चटर पटर, कुर्सी बोली चटर पटर. Kids, let's revise it again. हाथी राजा बहुत बड़े, सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले, हाथी राजा बहुत बड़े, सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले, मेरे घर भी आओ ना, हलवा पूरी खाओ ना, मेरे घर भी आओ ना, हलवा पूरी खाओ ना, आओ बैठो कुर्सी पर, आओ बैठो कुर्सी पर, कुर्सी बोली चटर पटर, कुर्सी बोली चटर पटर. Kids, learn it many times. Thank you. Hey kids, this is our Hindi oral class. As you all know, in orals you don't have to write anything in your notebook. You just have to listen me very carefully and you have to repeat after me. So kids, today in Hindi oral we are going to do after exercise. Means I am going to tell you what comes after given alphabets. So kids, let's start. हिंदी में हम क्या करेंगे बच्चों? आफ्टर एक्सरसाइज करेंगे ओरल. आपको कुछ भी लिखना नहीं है, हम लोग सिर्फ इसको दोहराएंगे. ठीक है, तो बच्चों चलिए शुरू करते हैं. बड़ा छोटा से अनार के बाद क्या आता है बच्चों? बड़े आ से आम. छोटे आ से अनार के बाद क्या आता है? बड़े आ से आम. फिर छोटी ई से इमली के बाद क्या आता है? बड़ी ई से ईख. अब बड़ी ई से ईख के बाद क्या आता है? छोटे ऊ से उल्लू. बड़ी ई से ईख के बाद क्या आता है? छोटे ऊ से उल्लू. अब छोटे ऊ से उल्लू के बाद क्या आता है? बड़े ऊ से ऊन. अब बड़े ऊ से ऊन के बाद क्या आता है? ए से एड़ी. ए से एड़ी के बाद क्या आता है? ऐसे ऐनक. ऐसे ऐनक के बाद क्या आता है? ओ से ओखली. अब ओ से ओखली के बाद क्या आता है? औ से औरत. औ से औरत के बाद क्या आता है? अंक से अंगूर. अंक से अंगूर के बाद क्या होता है? आहा अक्षर खाली. तो बच्चों, आफ्टर में क्या होता है? आपको कुछ अक्षर दिए जाते हैं, आपको उनके बाद के अक्षर बताने होते हैं. ओके किड्स, नाउ थैंक यू. Hey kids, this is your Hindi written class. As you all know, in written class, what you have to do? You have to take out your notebooks. So kids, take out your Hindi notebooks. Open a page where I have drawn the setting of 24th July 2020 and day is Friday. Kids, today in Hindi we are going to do after exercise. बच्चों, after का मतलब होता है बाद में. तो आज हम लोग हिंदी में एक एक्सरसाइज करेंगे जिसमें मैंने आपको एक तरफ अक्षर लिख के दिए हैं, आप उनके बाद वाले अक्षर लिख के दिखाने हैं. इसके पहले हम लोग बिफोर वाली एक्सरसाइज कर चुके हैं. बिफोर में क्या होता है? हमें पहले के अक्षर लिखने होते हैं और आफ्टर में क्या करना होता है? हमें बाद का अक्षर लिखना होता है. तो बिफोर एक्सरसाइज हम पहले कर चुके हैं. आज हम लोग आफ्टर एक्सरसाइज करेंगे हिंदी में. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. पहला अक्षर मैंने आपको दिया है छोटा आ से अनार. तो छोटा से अनार के बाद क्या होता है बच्चों? बड़े आ से आम. तो आपको यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है? बड़े आ से आम. अब उसके बाद ये क्या दिया मैंने आपको? बड़ी ई से ईख. तो बच्चों, बड़ी ई से ईख के बाद क्या आता है? छोटे ऊ से उल्लू. लिखे सभी लोग। छोटे ऊ से उल्लू। अब इसके बाद ए से एड़ी। एड़ी के बाद क्या आता है बच्चों? ए से एड़ी के बाद ऐसे ऐना। चलिए करिए आप लोग। उसके बाद औ से औरत। तो औ से औरत के बाद क्या आता है? अंग से अंगूर। लिखिए सभी लोग। अब उसके बाद का से कबूतर। तो का से कबूतर के बाद क्या आता है? खा से खरगोश। देखिए सभी लोग। तो आज हमने हिंदी में क्या करा है? हमने हिंदी में आफ्टर एक्सरसाइज करी है। आफ्टर का मतलब क्या होता है? दिए गए अक्षरों के आपको उसके बाद के अक्षर लिखने होते हैं। तो ये आप अपने क्लास वर्क में करेंगे। उसके बाद आप अपना पेज टर्न करिए। देखिए मैंने आपको बिफोर एक्सरसाइज होमवर्क भी दिया है। तो बच्चों बिफोर में मैंने आपको कुछ अक्षर दिए हुए हैं। आपको उनके पहले के अक्षर को अपनी नोटबुक में राइट करना है। होमवर्क आपको अपने आप करना है। क्लास वर्क मैंने आपको बता दिया है। तो बच्चों ये दोनों वर्क आपको अपने आप करना है। थैंक यू। Hey kids, this is your maths class, maths written. So kids, take out your maths notebook, open a page where I have done the setting of 24th July 2020 and day is Friday. Kids, today in maths, we are going to do backward counting from 20 to 1. Kids, backward counting means we start upper number to lower number. Means today in backward counting we are going to start from 20 and end with 1. So here I have written 20 because in backward counting you have to start from bigger number and come to lower number. So here I have written 20. Kids, what comes before 20? 19. So here you have to write 19. Kids, what comes before 19? 18. So here you can see that we are slanting down. We are slanting down from upper to lower number. What comes before 18? 17. What comes before 17? 16. What comes before 16? 15. Kids, as you all can see that we are going down from upper to lower number. What comes after 15? 14. Okay kids, what comes before 15? 14. What comes before 14? 13. What comes before 13? 12. What comes before 12? 11. So kids, here 11 I have written. What comes before 11? 10. So here you have to write 10. What comes before 10? 9. What comes before 9? 8. What comes before 8? 7. What comes before 7? 6. What comes before 6? 5. What comes before 5? 4. What comes before 4? 3. What comes before 3? 2. And what comes before 2? 1. So kids, as you all can see that we have done backward counting as from upper to lower number. So kids, like this you all have to complete your classwork. And kids, after that turn a page and see I have given you one homework, table of 5 that we have done in our previous class of math. So kids, you have to table of 5 by yourself. And this I have drawn to tell you like this you have to complete your homework. Okay kids? So, thank you. Hey kids, this is your maths oral class. As you all know, in orals you don't have to write anything in a notebook. You just have to repeat after me. So kids, today in maths oral we are going to learn backward counting from 20 to 1. So kids, let's start. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kids, what we have done in backward counting? We are are going upper to lower number. Okay. So let's revise it again. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So kids, you all have to revise it and learn it well. Thank you. Hey kids, this is your EVS written class. So kids, take out your EVS notebook. Open a page where I have done the setting of 24th July 2020 and day is Friday. Kids, today in EVS we are going to do domestic animals in the form of FIB. Means you have to fill this gap and complete the name. So number 1 is given C-W. So here what you have to write to complete a name of domestic animal, C-O-W, cow. C-O-W, cow. Then D and G. What comes here? D-O-G, dog. Then P-I-G, pig. So here you have to write I. P-I-G, pig. Then G-O-A-T, goat. So here you have to write O. G-O-A-T, goat. Then which spelling is this? Camel. C-A-M-E-L, camel. So here you have to write C-A-M-E-L, camel. Okay. Then which spelling is this? Horse. What is the spelling of horse? H-O-R-S-E, horse. So here you have to write O-H-O-R-S-E, horse. So kids, like this you have to complete domestic animals in the form of FIB. Means fill in the blanks. After this, turn your page and see. I have given you one homework, that is wild animals. That you have to do it by yourself. Kids, complete your work and thank you. Hey kids, this is your EVS oral class. As you all know, in orals you don't have to write anything in your notebook. You just have to repeat after me. So kids, today in English EVS oral, we are going to learn some domestic animals. So kids, let's start. C-O-W, cow. C-O-W, cow. Then D-O-G, dog. Cow, dog. P-I-G, pig. C-O-W, cow. D-O-G, dog. P-I-G, pig. Then G-O-A-T, goat. G-O-A-T, goat. C-A-M-E-L, camel. C-A-M-E-L, camel. Then H-O-R-S-E, horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Let's repeat it again. C-O-W, cow. D-O-G, dog. P-I-G, pig. G-O-A-T, goat. C-A-M-E-L, camel. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Kids, today we are going to learn one more spelling of domestic animal, and that is sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Kids, sheep gives us wool. So what is the spelling of sheep? S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Learn it again. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Cow, dog, pig, goat, camel, horse, sheep. So kids, you all have to learn these spellings very well. Thank you.